24 hours of Nürburgring is about to start. Make sure to check out the video description and the first pinned comment for the live onboard of our car, discount codes of all our partners, and all the other links important for you to follow our race and cheer for our team, number 632 in the Porsche GT3 Cup. And now see how this first day went for me this morning, including a nice little lap with Max Verstappen. The track was horrible out there because it was covered in mud and oil from the classic race prior, so we both took it very easy. This race is going to be insane with tricky weather conditions and many more challenges. Alright, see how the day went and looking forward to seeing you in the live stream and chatting to you in the comments.
Saturday, 16th of May. Almost 3:30 in the morning. When you cannot fall asleep because of the 24-hour race excitement, might as well do something useful. In this case, some stretching before the race. Fast forward a bit later, 5 o'clock at Vulcan Alpha. Made it here early to avoid all the traffic jam, because last year already, when I got here at 7, or I left my home shortly before 7, I spent an hour or over an hour getting to the Nürburgring, and even then I got out of the car, gave the car to my wife Maggie, and continued walking to the track. So now, with extra excitement for Max Verstappen and all the other fancy contestants, it's good to get here early and take a little nap on the couch before it actually makes sense to go to the track. Night night. How many?
48 pit stops.
Wow. How many pit stops are you doing?
Just 0.
Okay. How many naps are you taking?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah, absolutely a lot.
Yeah. That's the key to success. In life, not only in racing.
True. Wise words.
Yeah. I'm gonna take another nap now. I don't look too bad. I woke up at 2 because I couldn't fall asleep again, and then I came here and I had a nap on the couch at Vulcan, and now I go another nap on the couch at Black Falcon. I'm couch surfing. I'll go take a nap. I don't need coffee, thank you. A nap with a view. By the way, if you're still gonna be here tomorrow on Sunday over there at Dunlop, at the tent on the right from it, you can buy our merch. The hoodies not yet. You can order them at petrolheart.com. Use code Misha for 10% extra off, or maybe Misha 10, so many codes. Check out the video description. The hoodies will be available there, but there at the tent you can get shirts, and shirts you can get online as well if you're not here at the race. Alright, I'll go take a nap and then let's go find a car and stuff and do the warm-up. That's one way to wake up. It's a little update as I'm heading down to the... Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. As I was saying before I got interrupted, as I'm on my way to the box, there's a big queue before TÜV. No, the cars are not getting TÜV'd. Allegedly, all the Porsches have a change in the BOP. We don't know yet what. Maybe BMWs as well. Because Lamborghinis are very fast. And now I'll swap to the box into my regular camera and not just a phone. Media team, are you ready? Yes. You ready? Yes. Alright, now full of excitement. Is that because of the camera swap? I don't know. There's something cool I want to show you. If you look at that, we have a full palette of XXL nutrition goodies. Use code Misha on the website for 15% off. You only get it like now because then it's going to be set back to 10%, so it's 24-hour special. About to hop in the car, I'll be doing the warm-up. Initially we wanted to skip it, but now we are doing it. Maybe no Schleife, but probably just the GP. We'll see. We'll see how we feel. Oh wow. I think that's the pole setter, actually. Huh, I wonder if Lambo's also got BOP change. Anyway, there is rain predicted, but this like very weird rain, so you guys are in for the show. Last year, I think only 1/3 of the car finished. Like out of 150 cars that started last year, I think slightly around 60 finished. Let's see what's gonna happen this year, but it's gonna be tough. And we're gonna do our best just to finish. We're gonna do easy laps, says the guy.
Sure, buddy.
Sure, buddy.
Sure, buddy.
Yeah, I don't think I mentioned so far, but quick reminder, we have live onboard. So check out the live onboard link in the video description and first pinned comment.
We added use code CZ-Misha5 for 5% off all the front attack gear. And this car is not a part of the gear that you can get discount on. neither is the gear that is already discounted. All right, green lights. Let's get in the car. Rock and roll time.
That was something else. First of all, running into Max Verstappen or his car, but for the sake of the clicks, we're gonna say it was him. And why would he put on his hazard lights to say hello? Because I was just following my line. Anyway, the track out there, horrible. Covered in sand, covered in oil. There was no front end grip whatsoever. We can also see all the dirty pickup still on the slicks. It's tricky. Also Max, like the sections where he would go flat or even I would go flat, go on the brakes because no grip whatsoever. That's why the team decided usually saying like, hey, we actually do not want to go for a warm-up lap, because sometimes warm-up lap means also the end of the race. Because we had classic races, classic DTMs, a lot of them leaked oil, caught fire, and etc. There was a lot of rain yesterday and night before, and it also put a lot of mud on the track. So hopefully the conditions are going to get better before the race, but this race is going to be something else. So again, check out the links in the video description for the live onboard so you can follow us. I'll be tuning in the comment section myself occasionally when I'm not sleeping or driving. And yeah, say thank you to our partners, Fanatec, XXL Nutrition, by using the discount codes. And let's make this one a big one so we can climb the ladder to the actual GT3 car next year.